Hey guys, it's Stephanie, and today's video is going to be some of my favorite Halloween things, stuff that I love about Halloween, and whatnot like that. And as you can see right now, or maybe you can't see it, I'm wearing my Halloween witch's hat, and I'm wearing my, can you see these? Oh my god, excuse me. I'm okay, that's good. Okay, and I'm wearing my witch's dress thing, costume. Oh my god, we're gonna see this again. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm alive. I'm alive. Okay. Good. Okay, I'm gonna take the hat off. Maybe that's it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, we're good again. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm alive. Okay, so let's get into the video. So let's see. Oh, and also, oh my god, I swear to gosh, I'm gonna sneeze again. Okay. Ow, I hit my nose. I went like, ow, no, I'm alive. Gosh. What? What? Tarnish. He's making me sneeze. I made it. And I'm gonna take off the costume, maybe that's it. Then I'll be back, okay? Okay, hold on a sec, I'll be back.